What a moment to witness. We're here in the Porcupine Mountains. It's the first snow of the year. The colors are changing. The evergreens are tipped with snow. And you can hear the wind rustling through the leaves. Lake of the Clouds.
Well, we're getting ready to go out for a big hike today, taking the dogs for a quick walk, and it is spitting some snow. Woohoo! Okay, so we're here on this trail. It's kind of off the beaten path. If you look at the maps for the Porcupine Mountain Wilderness area, you will not see this trail on there. It is not a groomed trail, but it is a trail that's accessible. There's not a lot of parking. There's no real true parking spots per se. Sheen was on a hike earlier, and someone mentioned this tour, so we're going to try it out. We have no idea what we're getting into. We've had some rain, some snow, and it's probably about 34 degrees out right now, so we're going to find out. So come along for the ride.